When France invited the Reggae Boyz to play a friendly to prepare them for the upcoming World Cup in 2014, the boys were on cloud nine. France was one of the favorites for the tournament, and so this was a big stage for the Reggae Boyz.
Match day came, and the boys entered a stadium packed to capacity with jubilant French fans. This would turn out to be a very tough night for the inexperienced Reggae Boyz.
Ce soir, à Lille, les hymnes nationaux, en commençant évidemment par l'hymne.
The boys prayed long and hard before the match, and it seemed to be working as France had a close miss.
Tous les deux en position d'avant-centre.
La Jamaïque, avec Lloyd Dolé qui va le frapper, à moins qu'il ne le laisse. Autant que Mariappa, lui, n'est pas vraiment au départ de l'action.
The French were in awe as the goalkeeper demonstrated his flying skills. But things were about to take a bad turn. Yohan Kabaye opened the scoring in the 17th minute. But the coach told them to go for more. So Matuidi added a second, 3 minutes later. Wes Morgan reminded Sako to take it easy. But Benzema was not told.
La rapidité d'exécution.
Dégagement, le bon gardien jamaïcain. Frédéric lui sera près des Bleus.
Karim Benzema se prend la tête.
The Jamaican coach got involved and begged Patrice Evra to slow it down. But the onslaught continued. Oliver Giroud added a fourth. Varane missed one. Benzema got a fifth. In a bid to restore order, Jamaica called for the sheriff. But it didn't help. After pleading with the coach, Griezmann came on. And added a seventh. Then an 8. At the end, the Jamaican goalkeeper decided that he would do much better as a physiotherapist. 8-0 the final score as France prepared to head off to Brazil. But the Reggae Boyz learned some valuable lessons.